Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why are you not getting messages on iPhone. So first of all, make sure that your device is updated to the newest version. So go to General, then go to Software Update and make sure that there is no update available. If there is, install it. It may fix some issues. Now in the Settings app, go to Cellular or Mobile Service. And then make sure that your phone line is turned on. So you just need to make sure that your phone is on, your phone line, right? Here that everything is fine, that your network is selected, that your number is being discovered, and it's entered correctly, and also make sure that if you use multiple SIMs, make sure that the phone number you want to use is selected and turned on. You'll see it once you have more than one SIM. You'll see that there is an option to turn on or off some SIMs. Then in the Settings app, you also may need to go to Apps, and then tap Messages. And now go to iMessage, turn it off, then back on. You may need to wait up to half a minute before turning it on. It's the best option. Now go to Send and Receive, and make sure that the number that you want to receive messages on is enabled here. So yeah, that's very important that it's selected here. Then that should help you. If it didn't, then you may also want to just slide down from the right top part of the screen, find this button, which is the airplane mode, enable it, wait for 10 seconds at least, then turn it off, and it'll reconnect to the network. And if nothing of that helped, restart your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons, then waiting until the screen shows up, sliding to power off, waiting for 30 seconds, then pressing and holding on the power button until Apple logo shows up on the screen, then your phone will turn on. And I hope that this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.